Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be doing this pink makeup look and it's going to be a voiceover. I thought it wasn't going to be, so it sounds a little off in the beginning, but yeah, if you want to see this makeup look, then just keep on watching. So for primer, I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer. As always, I love this primer so much. For foundation, I'm using the Urban Decay Naked Skin Foundation and I am in the shade 4.0 and I'm just going to be blending it out with a beauty blender. For concealer, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I am in the shade Golden Beige, and I'm also going to be blending this out with a beauty blender. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade and I am in the shade Ebony. For brows, I am using the Milk Kush Brow Gel. I'm in the shade Grind. I love this brow gel so much. It is amazing. Now I'm going to clean up the eyebrows using my concealer. So for my eyes, I'm going to be using the Norvina palette and I'm dipping into the shade Love with a MAC 224 brush and I'm just using it as my transition shade. Now I'm dipping into the shade Passion. I am using the Morphe M441 and I'm just going to be using it to deepen up my crease. So if you guys didn't notice, I am just packing with my M441 and I'm blending it out with my MAC 224 brush. So next I'm going to be spraying my brush with some Fix Plus. I'm dipping into the shade Rose Gold and I'm just applying that all over my eyelid. I am using the Morphe M421 brush. Now I'm going back into the shade Passion and I'm just deepening up the crease. So now I'm spraying my M213 with a Fix Plus. I'm dipping into the shade Wild Child and I'm just placing that in my inner corners. Now I'm taking my concealer and I'm just going to be cleaning up my eyeshadow. For eyeliner, I'm using the Fenty eyeliner and we are going to skip through this because I'm terrible at filming it. Ta-da! For powder, I'm using the Too Faced Ethereal powder and I'm just going to be placing that all over my face. For bronzer, I'm using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess bronzer and I know I have a weird way of applying bronzer. It just worked for me. Going over with my powder brush to make sure everything is blended. Using the Real Techniques blush brush, I'm going to be using the Tarte Holiday palette that I got last year, and I'm using the shade Angelic for blush. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Melt Cosmetics Stargazer highlight. And to top that highlighter off, I'm using my Pat McGrath Skin Fetish Trio. And I'm using the pink shade because it just gives it a nice, soft pink iridescent shade. Like, I love her highlighter so much. I'm also placing it in my inner corners. So now I'm blending everything again with my Sephora powder brush. Honestly, when it comes to complexion, blending as you go is so important. Now I'm going to be tight lining with my Urban Decay eyeliner. Now I'm curling my lashes so that way when I apply my fake lashes, they blend together. For mascara, I'm using the Hourglass Caution Mascara. This is my favorite mascara and I know I just messed up, but I'm cleaning that after. For my lashes, I'm going to be using the Diva Lashes by Alfred and these styles are in Juju. Now that my mascara has dried, I'm taking a spoolie and I am just brushing it off and going over with my beauty blender to blend it again. I didn't show me lining my lips, but I am using the MAC Oral Lip Liner and I'm topping that off with Milk Cosmetics Novelty and I freaking completely blocked it off, so I apologize. But now I'm going over with some translucent powder to make it matte and now I'm all finished. I'm going to be setting it with the Urban Decay setting spray. doing one final pat down with my powder brush to make sure everything is fully blended. Alright, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this kind of video better, let me know, because I know when I do talk-throughs, they come out much longer. But if you guys do enjoy long videos, then let me know and I can do more. But yeah, I hope you guys give this a big thumbs up for now. And if you guys want to subscribe, subscribe. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye. Stomping some roaches like me. She just needs attention. He made me drink that. He didn't even like ask me, he just gave me that. It's good. I need a napkin though. It's fucking strong, dude. That shit has me lit. It's a creme brulee. I love you too.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Have a good one.